Hey y'all, cuz what good with it, bitch? I'm finna solve my motherfucking Rubik's Cube, cause I'm high as a motherfucker. Limited edition Coke 22 hoodie. Yeah, I'm finna solve this bitch. Let's do it. My best time is a minute. I don't know how long this shit gonna take, but it ain't gonna be a minute. But look at this. You get cut off. Get cut off. I would play some music, but they gonna copyright a nigga. So you know, can't trust people. You broke up with your ex and you're single. I broke up with my ex and then he threw me out my window. That shit was hard. That was a hard ass song, man. Get your people. Yeah, we killed that hoe, bitch. It was 2 minutes, nigga. We lit. Yeah, chicken legs in the. Everybody spam chicken legs in the motherfucking comments, nigga. We turn. Smoke my blunt in peace. I'ma holler at y'all.